For day traders, okay, and for swing traders. For day traders and for swing traders, okay, these people have a trading window. So like a day trader has a trading window of what, 9:15 to 3:30, and we can't expect a day trader to actually uh, sit during the market hours and try to find trades, or a swing trader to do that when the market is on. So for both these types, Shaspa has an excellent tool, which is the real-time auto trade scanner. Okay, RT auto trade scanner. Okay, RT auto trade scanner. Manish Soni asks, what is the difference between 75-minute and 125-minute trader, and what is the exit strategy when we take in any stock? Okay, so we haven't even discussed entry, so forget about exit now. Okay, what is the difference between 75 and 125? As I said, both are good. 75 is for a slightly shorter swing trader, and 125 is for a slightly longer duration swing trader. Okay. Now coming back to the RT auto trade scanner. So if you go to this section, this is what you will see: no stocks available. All right. Now what is this RT auto trade scanner? So basically, it's a trade scanner. So it will scan for trades in that particular time frame for that particular duration. Okay, it is auto meaning automatic, and RT means real time. So it is performing real time automatic trade setup analysis. Okay, real time automatic trade setup analysis. So it will look for maybe 170 stocks are listed, so it is looking at 170 stocks every minute and letting you know if there is any trade setup coming up in any of the charts. So the headache of analysis during the market hours is taken away from you. Okay, now how to use it? Let's look at how to use it. Go to manage profile. Okay, enter your name, Mr., Miss, Mrs. Okay, let me put in my name. Yeah, gmail.com. I enter my phone number. Okay, so all I have done is first name, middle name, last name, email ID, phone number. Fine. Now, it is asking me, do you want an intraday trade, carry over, or you want both? So if you're a pure intraday guy or a pure intraday girl, you have to select intraday. If you are a day trader, you select intraday. If you are a swing trader, you select carry over, or you have the choice of selecting both so that you get all the trades. That's the fun part. Okay. So intraday means day trader, carry over means positional trader. Swing trader, and both means you get swing as well as intraday trades. Yeah. Select the exchange. So here we select NSE future, and here let's say risk amount. Okay, so I'll put maybe 1,50,000, and maybe I want to take 3 positions maximum in a day. Okay. Now what is this risk amount? Now very carefully listen. The risk amount here in RT Auto Trade Scanner is the amount of money that you are prepared to lose in one cycle. Now what is one cycle? I am ready to take 3 positions. Okay. So in 3 positions, I can lose how much? 1,50,000 rupees. Okay. Are we clear on this? Yeah. Are we clear on this? This risk amount is the amount of money you can lose in every cycle. Every cycle meaning if you've given 3 positions here or 5 positions here, it is the amount that you can lose if you make that many losing trades. Okay, it can happen in 5 minutes also. Yeah, very, very important to remember. Once you've done that, let me just check for any questions. Mr. Rajesh says, do you consider shares paying very good dividend for accumulation? No. Even for long-term investors, the system does not consider dividend as an important criteria, because you have to understand that the dividend is paid on the face value of the share, which is probably 10 rupees, 2 rupees, 1 rupee, whatever. So if for a 10 rupee share, even if the company gives 100% dividend, you are getting 10 rupees dividend. Yeah. Okay. Prasoon has a question. Does it mean that the scanner would scan for stocks based on the risk amount? Okay. So Prasoon, answering to your question, basically what the scanner, like I said, is doing, every minute it is looking for stocks and every minute it is looking for trade setups. Now, it knows that for, let's say for Bata, the current risk value is, if as per the entry and exit price, the current risk value is 50,000 rupees. And here you have mentioned risk amount as 1,50,000 and 3 positions. So that means that 50,000 in each position. So it will show you that particular stock in your suggested stocks. All right. So basically it is looking at all the stocks that are available, all the trade setups that are available, and the ones that fit your particular risk amount will be shown in your list. Okay. Mr. Surat has a query. What minimum risk amount can we put to get trades in the RT? So I think the minimum 150 for 3 positions is the minimum I think that you should be putting in. Yeah. So if I lose, I am ready to lose not 15,000, 1,50,000, sir. Mr. Kokani, it's not 15,000, it's 1,50,000. Lesser the risk appetite, lesser. Yes, of course. Yeah. So if I put say if I put 9 lakhs here, yeah, and I put say 9 positions here, so accordingly the system would show me more number of stocks and more number of high risk trades. But if I say that with 9 lakhs I want 3 positions or 3 positions, then it will show me even more high risk trades. Right, so it is going to give you what you want. Yeah. No, Mr. Surat, it means 3 positions means 3 different stocks. Yeah. So basically, minimum apportioning it will do is 3 for you. So it will divide 150 into minimum of 3 positions for you. Can we change these details later? Yes, you can change these details later. Yeah. Okay. Cool. So let's save the portfolio. Once you save the portfolio, you see your details over here. If you want to edit any of your contact details, you can do that here. If you want to change something here, you can add or remove. So let's say I have a risk amount of 1,50,000. I want to add another 50,000. So 50,000. Oh, sorry, 50,000. So my risk amount is now 2 lakhs.